So we're going to talk about organising an event. So we need to decide whether to have the event inside or outdoors. All right, so we must organise the cinema evening for next Saturday. I think it would be super cool if we could set it up outdoors, weather permitting that is. What do you think?
Well, I think it's a bit risky actually because it's been pouring down all week. So I think by Saturday the ground will probably still be a bit wet and soggy. So I don't know, perhaps we ought to do it indoors.
Yeah, no, it definitely is risky. But I did check the weather forecast and it's expected to brighten up by midday Friday. Like even if it's a bit chilly on Saturday evening, we could provide some blankets so the people are, cozy. We could even serve some hot drinks. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. We could perhaps wait until Saturday morning to make that call and then decide after that. And we've got some other things we need to think about, not just whether it's indoors or outdoors as well. What kind of movie do you think we should play?
Well, I was thinking of putting on or playing a comedy.
Comedy?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, why not?
Don't you remember last time we did this? We showed a comedy and it bombed. People got up and left halfway through the movie because they just weren't laughing. It wasn't funny. Do you really want to do that again?
That's right, you got a valid point there. It was a disaster. And then I had to deal with all the disgruntled people asking for a refund. So what's your suggestion then?
Well, my suggestion would be perhaps to show a family movie. I mean, they're appropriate for absolutely everybody. So I think it's a pretty safe bet.
All right, okay. Do you know what? Family movies just suits everybody. That's it. Let's just go with a nice family movie. Okay, let's do the checklist. So, with regards to food and drink, what's your view on that?
Well, we could set up some kind of little tuck shop that sells, sweets, chocolates, and hot drinks, like you suggested, just in case it's a bit cold. What do you think about that?
Absolutely, we could do that, and also a popcorn machine.
Oh, yeah,
couldn't we? Yeah, everyone loves popcorn. Okay, brilliant. What I was also thinking was, if we have it outdoors, we could put some cozy cushions on the ground, maybe some fairy lights, just to give it a nice atmosphere. We could actually suggest people bring their own camping chairs as well, so they're more comfortable watching the movie. Can you visualize that?
Yeah, I can. It's gonna be great. Okay, I can really imagine it. So I'll get on and make a flyer if you like.
Yeah.
With all the information. So
Sure.
I need to tell them that it's going to be outdoors, weather permitting. That we're going to show a family movie. That there's going to be a tuck shop with sweets and hot drinks.
Yeah.
Is there anything I've forgotten?
Yeah, a couple of things. The cover charge.
Oh yeah.
So I was thinking of charging €4 per head for the adults and €2 for the kids. Does that sound okay?
Yeah, that sounds reasonable to
All
me.
right.
So I'll add that to the flyer. Yeah.
And one other thing, maybe suggest as well that they bring a camping chair with them.
Okay, it's going to be fantastic. I can't wait.
Okay, well, listen, fingers crossed for a glorious day, so we can have it outside.
Let's hope so.
All right.
Okay.